To log in to your owner portal, visit bergerrealty.com. From bergerrealty.com, you will click Rentals. From there, you'll scroll down to Owner Login. Here, you will enter your credentials to log in, your email and your password, and you'll go ahead and click Sign In. If you do not have an account, you can click Create an Account. Once you've signed in, you will land on the home page where you will see your property information and any recent leases. At the top, click Rental Units. There you will see your property, your gross rent, and who your territory agent is. Should you have any questions, this is the agent you would contact. You can click Manage My Leases, and on this page, you will see the tenant that booked, when the lease was put in, when they're checking in and checking out, what the property was booked for, and who the agent that booked the property is. At the top, you can export this file as well and pick which year. Head back to the Rental Units page, and from there, you can also view your listing agreement and when it was executed. You can also fill out your next year's listing agreement by printing it out or filling it out via DocuSign. Back to the Rental Units page, you can click View My Payments, and there you will see the amounts paid so far, and you can also export this year's or previous year's payments. You can also view your reviews on your property. This gives you great insight into how guests feel about your property. Going back to the Rental Units page again, you can also sync your rental calendars by clicking Manage My Calendar. From there are directions on how to sync. Going back to the last item on this page, this is View My Property Info, which takes you to the page Potential Renters View. It is important to make sure that your photos are up to date, that the description is accurate, and that the weekly rates are aligned with what you have noted on your end. To go back from here, click the Owner tab at the top. At the top, you can also click My Account, which will allow you to input your personal information and change your password and email if necessary. The Documents tab at the top also gives you links to all the important owner's documents we provide in order for your property to be compliant and ready for renters. Heading back to the Rental Units page again, if you have any questions or need any assistance with determining your rates, be sure to reach out to your territory agent.